How many swings will it take to split this log in half? Let's find out. Why am I splitting it like this? This log is a little big for my weak little chainsaw. Splitting it down, then I can easily zip through the smaller sections. That looks like 2 shots to me. Oh, that one's not wanting to go. Now I can saw through those